If you want to learn how to make a twist on the New York Sour, but a non-alcoholic version, keep watching on Let's Talk Drinks. Hi everybody, so today I'm going to make a twist on one of my favorite cocktails. It's called the New York Sour, which normally has bourbon, lemon juice, egg white, and a float of red wine on top. Now, I'm not going to use like a non-alcoholic spirit in this. However, I'm using a really delicious non-alcoholic wine by Plus and Minus. It's their Shiraz, and I'm going to show you how simple this is to make. So the first ingredient that I call for is 30 mils of freshly squeezed pineapple juice. Now, there is no pineapple juice in a New York Sour. However, as you understand, I need to really bump up the amount of liquid that is in this cocktail. So I'm going to use fresh juices. Now, I find it's really important to squeeze this fresh juice. It makes a way better cocktail. So if you have time to do that, I suggest that you really do. If not, you can buy bottled stuff, but if you're gonna buy some bottled juice, get a really premium version. Next ingredient is 30 mils of freshly squeezed orange juice. Then we're going to add 15 mils of Aqua Faba or egg white. Aqua Faba is the vegan alternative. 15 mils of that. That's going to create that really nice head of foam on top of your cocktail. Then we're going to need 20 mils of some sugar syrup just to add some body to the cocktail and a little bit of sweetness as well. Next up, obviously it's a sour cocktail. For our sour element, we're going to use 20 mils of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Put some ice in the shaker. And the key to this is give it a really hard shake. All right. Now we're going to strain this over ice in a rocks glass or a double rocks glass. That nice head there looks amazing. Okay, going to get rid of this block of ice. It's a little bit too big there. And now the hero of the cocktail is a float of a red wine. I like to use a Shiraz. We're using the non-alcoholic Shiraz from Plus and Minus. Use this jigger here. Okay, so you've got to slowly drizzle it over the top there. Actually, you know what? I'm going to give it a little bit more. So depending on your taste, that is the twist on the New York Sour. Let's give it a taste. So the color, as you can see, looks amazing. And how does it taste though? Beautiful, honestly. That orange and pineapple works really well with the non-alc Shiraz. That citrus is really brightening up the cocktail. The nice foam on top really gives a nice mouthfeel to this cocktail. This is just something that, as you can see, is so easy to make, and it's an all-year drink. Summertime, wintertime, and have a bit of a play around. You could use a Pinot Noir. You can use any type of non-alcoholic wine that goes in a red wine, obviously. Guys, if you want to see some more non-alcoholic cocktails, there is a link here at the end of the video. See you again soon, and please subscribe or comment on Let's Talk Drinks.